Make this pasta on a busy weeknight and you'll be happy you did. It takes less than 20 minutes and it's so flavorful. The whole family will love it. Let me show you how to make this creamy, dreamy pasta and let's get started. In order to make this in less than 20 minutes, I'm gonna boil some water and cook the pasta per package instructions. I'm using a rigatoni pasta. And while this is going on, I'm gonna cook the meat, 1 pound of chuck beef, and this chuck beef has some good fat in it. You're gonna cook on high heat, add some salt, and half the way through I'm gonna add some onion, chopped onion about 1 cup, 2 mashed cloves of garlic. Mix them in with the meat very well, and the fat in the meat is gonna cook the onions in no time. We're gonna add some spices, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning, some fennel. Fennel is gonna add a great flavor. We're gonna add oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can add dried basil. Black pepper, of course. And I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes, about 1 or 2 teaspoons. If you don't like the heat kick, you can leave it out. And this is a step I like to do before I add the crushed tomatoes, is remove some of the fat using a kitchen paper towel. You can do it once or twice. And now I'm ready to add the crushed tomatoes. You're gonna add 2.5 cups of fresh or canned crushed tomatoes. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. When the meat sauce comes to a boil, I'm gonna let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mix it in very well. At this point, we're ready for the pasta. I drained the pasta very well, and I add it on top of the sauce. I add the whole package, and it's 1 pound. Mix in the whole thing very well until the pasta gets into all the sauce. The only thing left to do is to add lots and lots of parmesan. And it's a good idea to keep some of the pasta water handy. You might need it to thin the pasta a little bit. It's gonna absorb all this sauce and might need a little bit more if you wanna heat it later. And maybe serve with some basil and a side salad. I really love this dish. It comes together so quickly. Everybody loves it. It's gonna disappear in minutes. I hope you give it a try soon. And until next time, bon appetit!